I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I did.
Hi guys, it's Megan Maria, and in this video tutorial I will be showing you guys how you can create a book cover for your children's book or any kind of book that you wanted to create and publish it to Amazon KDP. I'm gonna show you guys step by step so that you don't make a mistake for your book cover before you upload it into KDP. Okay, so without any further ado, let's do this. Alright guys, so now we are on KDP, and here we're going to get the dimension of the book that we're going to create, and here is the link here guys. If you see the link, I will put on the description so that you can just click this one and start your to enter your calculator for whatever kind of book that you want and the size of the book. Okay, so once you got into the KDP cover calculator, what we're gonna do now is to create a cover. We're going to fill up all this information about the book. Okay, binding type, we're going to select paperback or hardcover. It's all up to you. I'm gonna send this one. Interior type, and then we're gonna select here. So let's just say standard color. And paper type, here you can also choose the type of paper that you want. So I just use the white paper. Okay, white paper. Page turn direction, you can choose from left to right and right left, but I'll choose left right, which is normally, you know, we do. Measurement units, so here we're going to choose the inches or millimeter. Okay, so I'm going to choose the inches. Interior trim size, here is you're going to select one. So here is the size of the book you can choose from for this size. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna choose maybe the 8 by 11 inches, 8.5 by 11 inches. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, and how many pages that you want for your book. So maybe you, let's say like 20 pages. Let's say 20. Okay. Okay, just type 20 page. Oh, sorry. Okay, so page count must be between 24 to 830. Okay, so let's say 25 pages. Okay, okay. Let's say 25 pages. So when it's done with that, you're going to click this calculate dimension so that we can copy the dimension into Canva and we can create our cover. Okay, so calculate the dimension, and now here is the size of the book that the cover for our book that we're going to create. Okay, so once you get this dimension, we're going to download this template. There you go. Okay, I'm going to download this desktop. I'm gonna save it, and then, so now here is the size of the book cover that we're going to create in Canva. So as you see here, it's 17.306 by 11.250. So this is the overall dimension of your book cover, which included the front and at the back. So what we're gonna do with this is we're going to copy this one to Canva, which is 17.306 11.250. Okay, let's go back to Canva. Okay, so for the width, we're going to do the 17.306, and here for the height 11.250. Okay, and then we're going to change this. Make sure that you change this into inches. Okay, so once we finish this with that, and then we're going to create a design. Alright, so now here is the dimension, the size of our book cover, back and front. Okay, so once we finished with that guys, what we're gonna do is we're going back to our paper size, and this one we're going to copy this. Just copy, and then we're going back to Canva, and then we're going to paste it here. Alright, so now we just let's make this one at the same size of this. So once you copy and paste here, so this is our guide to create our book cover. Okay, so once you finish with that, we're going to click this transparency, guys, so that we can see what we're going to put in front and at the back of our book cover. So we're going to create a design in the front and at the back of your book. So to do that, it depends on what kind of story that you want for your children. So what you're gonna do is you can go to elements and find something that you want to create, like for example, like children's book. Like for example, you type children's book and it will show you a lot of elements here or graphics that you may want to use to put into this front cover. So if you want to create a kids reading books, things like that, you just keep scrolling on this and you can find a lot of graphics here. You can also use the graphics, you can also use the photos, you can also create a shapes, and and so on. Just play with this, guys. So it depends on what kind of book that you want to create. So here I'm going to create like some kind of the dinosaur stories. Okay, let's say dinosaur at the park. And then you can see a lot of dinosaurs here. Then you can choose which one do you want. You can create this one. You can use the graphics if you want to, guys. Then you can just scroll down and choose the dinosaur that you want. Oh, it's not necessarily to be dinosaur, but I'm just using dinosaur for the sake of these tutorials. Okay, let's say I want to use this dinosaur here, then I might put this dinosaur somewhere here, over here, and then you can make this bigger if you want to, and then just move somewhere here. Then I'm gonna find out the park. Okay, park. Let's see what they're gonna give us. Okay, so you can also choose the park that you want here. So maybe, right, so let's say you choose this one. So maybe you can just move this one somewhere here, and then you can just align this page at the back. You layer this one, send it to back or send it backward, so you will see that your dinosaur is here, and you can make this a little bit bigger. Maybe you can put him here. It's all up to you, guys. Just make a design, and you can also put some colors here at the background, like okay, like for example, we use this one. We can move this one here. You can always adjust if you want to. Alright, so now we're going to put some grid here. What we're gonna do here is we're going to go to elements again and get some shapes. Okay, so let's say square, and if we got a square here, maybe we can get this one and we can put this into the middle here. Let's just make it okay here. You can change the color of this one, guys, if you want to. You can make it black, or you can, it's all up to you, guys. So just choose the color that you want. So after that, you can also put more dinosaurs here, then go back again to elements and choose more dinosaurs. So make your own design, guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna make a title here, so just add the text and the heading, or you can use this already made title, already made heading style, or if you want you can create your own. So let's say I'm gonna add a heading here, and I'm gonna title this dinosaurs at the park. Then you can also change these fonts, whatever fonts that you want, by choosing your fonts here. So it's all up to you, guys. So here is the title of this book. Okay, you can always change the font, the size of the font, the color of the font. So it's all up to you, guys. Here at the back, well, you can also put some other dinosaur. All right, there you go. So once you're okay with this, you're satisfied with this, you can edit it, you can add more elements if you want to. Then you're going to share, and we're going to download this cover book. Okay, scroll down here and click download, and make sure that you choose the PDF print. Okay, so click the PDF print, and you're going to click this download. Alright, so now we're done with our cover for our children's storybook. So now here is the cover that we are going to upload in KDP when we are ready for our book. But before that, we're going to make an interior for this dinosaur at the park in my next video. So this is how you can create a cover for your children's book if you want to upload this into Amazon KDP. Okay, so for my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an interior for this dinosaur at the park story. But for the meantime, in this tutorial, this is how you can create a cover back and front into your children's storybook. Thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Bye for now.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase.